Good morning, crypto enthusiast. Welcome to the Leap Podcast, your source for cryptocurrency updates from Leap Digital Investments. It's Wednesday, 5th of November 2025. I'm Patrick Penn. The market just triggered a 1.3 billion to 1.4 billion USD liquidation cascade. Fear and greed at 21 is extreme fear. Bitcoin cracks below $105,000 to $100,573, minus 5.5%. Ethereum bleeds to $3,183, minus 11%. Solana's at $152.57, minus 7%. Long-term holders dump 400,000 BTC in 30 days, 2% of total supply. This isn't a dip, it's capitulation. Let's dissect the fracture, sharp and clear. Let's leap in. Bitcoin at $100,573, down 5.5% in 24 hours, is the lowest print since June, erasing the post-halving premium. Whale deposits to exchanges, $727 million since the 10th of October. BlackRock unloaded $2.35 billion in a single session. That's 1,300 BTC yanked from ETFs in one day. Long-term holders capitulated 400,000 BTC in 30 days. 40 billion plus in realized supply shock. But the mixed narratives are live. 2025 ETF flows already at 25.18 billion, beating 2024's full year inflow. Hong Kong has eased BTC trading restrictions. 4 million Square merchants activate Bitcoin payments within 7 days. Microsoft, $9.7 billion deal with miner IREN, IREN, for AI-powered Bitcoin infrastructure. BTC pricing support clusters around 98,500 to 99,200. A weekly close above 103,000 flips 8.4 billion in shorts into liquidation fuel. This is pain, but it's also a purge. Ethereum at $3,183, down 11%. Balancer exploited for 117 million across chain has hurt Ethereum. Stream Finance freezes withdrawals after a 93 million black hole. DeFi contagion sirens are blaring. Treasury firms underwater. BitMNR holds $11.88 billion in Ethereum, with $1.82 billion in unrealized losses. Yet the bid persists. Spot ETH ETFs plus 16 million net inflows this week. Grayscale leading the way. Stablecoin supply on Ethereum is at 184 billion US dollars, up 100 billion year to date. That's a lot of USD moved onto the blockchain. The $3,000 pricing support is critical here for Ethereum. Break it and 2,700 opens up. Reclaim 3,400 and $4,000 is back in play. It's conviction versus contagion. Solana at $152.57, down 7% year to date. But institutional capital doesn't care about retail fear. Sol ETFs, 199 million US dollars on debut week flows. Fifth straight day of inflows. 70 million yesterday alone. Pricing support $145, resistance $165, break higher $185, retest. This isn't rotation out of risk. It's rotation into infrastructure with regulatory clarity. During these downtimes, the mental model shifts from diamond hands to cut now. And that can be bottoming fuel. But price can overshoot down as well as up. We can look to ETF flows for the rotation story. Bitcoin ETFs, miners, 978 million. Solana ETF flows, plus 199 million on debut. It would seem the market is dumping BTC to reposition lower. Solana ETFs provide persistent bid. This isn't about stepping away from risk. It's a strategic shift toward foundational infrastructure with clearer regulatory pathways. Right now, we're watching a leverage flush. 1.3 billion liquidated is cleanup. Weak hands exit, foundations reset. Providing some context, BTC has hit June levels, but 20 to 30% drawdowns in Bitcoin are cycle standard. The thesis isn't price, it's infrastructure. Did Microsoft cancel the $9.7 billion mining deal? No. Did Square kill Bitcoin purchasing for 4 million merchants? No. You might be hearing about Ethereum exploits, and 117 million gone is ugly. But ETH ETFs still pulled plus 16 million this week. Stablecoins up 100 billion year to date. Smart money buys fear. Retail sells it. If you believe the infrastructure thesis, this is noise. Painful, sleep-disrupting noise. But noise. With the fear and greed index at 21, sentiment is cautious. But historically, this has often been a time when long-term builders stay focused. Momentum in infrastructure development continues. That's your crypto update for 5th of November 2025. For more, check the description on Spotify or YouTube. Stay informed, stay strategic. Thank you for joining the Leap Podcast.